ISO Industrial Automation in Industrial Control Systems. Devices with different voltage levels and different signal types need to be isolated to prevent signal interference and malfunction propagation. ISO 7763 FDW2 can be used to isolate digital signals between sensors, actuators, controllers, and other devices. Ensure the stable operation of the system. For example, in the automated production line of a factory, it is used to isolate the communication signal between the PLC and various sensors and Second, in the field of power systems, in power electronic equipment, such as frequency converters, inverters, power modules, etc. The high pressure and low pressure parts need to be isolated to ensure the safety of personnel and equipment. ISO 7763 FDW2 can be used to isolate control circuits and power circuits in power electronic equipment. Secure transmission of signals. For example, in solar inverter, it is used to isolate the driving signal between the control chip and the power switch. 3. In the field of communication systems, in communication base stations, it is necessary to isolate different communication modules, power modules, etc. to prevent mutual interference. ISO 7763 FDW2 can be used to isolate digital signals between RF modules, baseband modules, power modules, etc. In a communication base station, ensure the normal operation of the communication system. In the field of automotive electronics, there are various electronic control units in automotive electronic systems, such as engine control unit, transmission control unit, brake system control unit, etc. High-speed and reliable communication is required between these ECUs. ISO 7763 FDW2 can be used to isolate digital signals between different ECUs, improve the anti-interference ability and reliability of automotive electronic systems. For example, in the powertrain system of a car, used to isolate the communication signal between the engine control unit and the transmission control unit. In the field of medical electronics, in medical equipment, in order to ensure the safety of patients and the proper operation of the equipment, the circuitry of the device needs to be isolated. ISO 7763 FDW2 can be used to isolate control circuits, detection circuits, treatment circuits, etc. In medical equipment, prevent mutual interference and fault propagation between circuits. For example, in medical devices such as electrocardiograms and it is used to isolate the signal between the sensor and the signal processing circuit.